as an HM student, nandito sa Marikina, okay edition.
May nakangiti sa gilid. Salamat sa libre. Babowling kami. Magta-try si mother. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Uy, shit!
Since I've been waking up at midnight by the 8, I need a change. I've been feeling kind of lost, but I can't pretend. It's been 2 weeks since I saw you. I'm sorry, things ain't got this way. But bear in mind, I try to be the best you know that I could be.
Saya!
You know I never meant to hurt you, hurt you. I hope you know I'll always love you, love you. So alright, oh, alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, whoa. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Take a minute to breathe in the air as my fingers run through your hair. Yeah, thought that everything would be okay.
Uy, 51 na ako!
Just as the other
Hahabulin kita. 57 ka.
lost yourself in trying to get it. Don't wanna live
Guys, napagod na ako. Yung nanay ko nag-enjoy daw siya doon. Sabi niya, ang saya pala nito. Diba? Kanina ayaw niya, ngayon nag-enjoy na siya. Ano masasabi mo? Ang saya.
alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's
For sure, ako ang panalo. Oo nga, intindihan.
alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Panalo ako.
Once again, let us away, but I find it's in you. Oh my,
Magaling first timer pa yan.
focus to get by the day. Alright, alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. She took my heart and broke it twice. You left me out the
Thank you! Thank you!
Ito, Akam. 8246, bebe. Uy. Baliw ka. Pati pa sa palos ko.
Hi guys! vlog takeover muna tayo kasi yung isa nagliligpit ng kanyang bag. Bye-bye! Nag-enjoy ang bata. Nag-enjoy kami dalawa pala. Okay, let's go! Babalik natin to. Naubos yung pera niya.
A day in the life as an HM student nandito sa Marikina. Okay, Alicia.
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Marikina. Di ba kayo? Mag-okay kami. I'm with my friends.
Vlog takeover. Hi guys, this is our friends. This is our a day in a life. Yes. Vlog takeover, guys.
Na ang inasal.
Opo. Mag-order na lang kayo hiwalay kasi sa amin PM1 lahat.
Sige, halo-halo na lang din ako.
Bakit kailangan nyo ba ng boyfriend? Nandito naman kami.
Tama mali.
Uwi na ako, guys. Ay, hindi. Pupunta pa ako TIP. Yana! Yana! Asan siya? Ayan o!
Hindi niya makita bulag yan eh.
Yana! Bye!
Guys, naghiwalay-hiwalay na kami ng landas.
Sim, siya hindi pa rin niya alam kung saan siya. Saan ka talaga? Sa Philinvest na. Ba't Marikina? Saan ba ang Philinvest? Dapat sa kanila ka! Diba?
Eh kasi sabi mo Marikina.
Ayaw nga. Apunin mo na. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ingat! Wow! Wow! Sama ko to. Hello? Mag-hi ka lang eh! Hi guys! Welcome to Vlog of Back City. Yes! Unboxing! Wala siyang itsura kung anong makikita or makukuha ko. Let's just hope for the best. Wait lang, makikita ko na ba? Ano? Makikita ko na agad! Wait lang, wait lang. Oh my God! Mukha siyang hindi si Lupi. Ang cute! ka ba? Okay, that's it for the vlog, guys. See you again next